Have you ever stopped to think about how one carefully chosen sentence can completely transform how a woman feels about you? Imagine saying something that makes her heart race, brings a radiant smile to her face, or creates a memory so vivid she treasures it forever. That's the power of words. When used strategically, words can spark desire, build trust, and forge deeper emotional connections. In today's video, we're diving into the power of words, how to use them to create desire, deepen emotional intimacy, and strengthen physical attraction. We'll explore specific phrases, the perfect moments to say them, and how to craft an irresistible atmosphere of connection. If this resonates with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It helps the channel grow and motivates me to bring you even more transformative insights. Share this video with a friend who could use a boost in their communication game. Now, let's get started. The power of carefully chosen words. When chosen with intention, words can have a profound psychological and emotional impact on a woman. We're not talking about forced or vulgar comments, but rather thoughtful, respectful expressions that make her feel unique and valued. For example, instead of the generic "you look nice," try, "The way you did your hair today is amazing. It's impossible not to notice you." This does two powerful things. One, it shows attention to detail, making her feel seen. Two, it conveys her impact on you, leaving a lasting impression. Words like these create vivid imagery in her mind, showing her how special she is. Building anticipation. Another way to spark attraction is by building anticipation. Phrases that hint at something special or mysterious can ignite curiosity and excitement. For instance, "I've got something planned for tonight that I can't wait to share with you." This simple statement communicates value for your time together and sets the stage for an unforgettable moment. She feels unique and appreciated, which is incredibly attractive. The categories of powerful phrases. Now let's break this into categories. Understanding what to say and when to say it is the difference between a casual exchange and a magnetic connection. 1. Creating mystery. Use phrases that stir emotions and activate her imagination. For example, "I've been thinking about something that will bring us even closer. You're going to love it." This builds curiosity, which naturally creates anticipation and a sense of excitement. 2. Expressing vulnerability. Women value emotional connection deeply. When you show genuine admiration or share vulnerability, you build trust. Try saying, "You're the only person who makes me feel this way." Or, "I've never felt so connected to someone as I do with you." These phrases highlight her unique role in your life, strengthening emotional intimacy. 3. Subtle desire. Express admiration for her physical traits or gestures without being overtly sexual. For instance, "I love how your body fits perfectly with mine." Or, "The way you look at me leaves me completely speechless." These phrases convey desire respectfully, creating a captivating dynamic. Compliments that go beyond looks. Emotional intimacy forms the foundation of any strong relationship. Compliments that go beyond surface-level admiration show depth and genuine appreciation. For example, "I admire the way you face challenges with courage." Or, "Your authenticity is inspiring. You're always unapologetically yourself." Such compliments boost her self-esteem and create a safe space for vulnerability, which deepens your connection. Highlighting her uniqueness. Phrases that underscore her individuality are incredibly impactful. For example, "I've never met anyone like you before. There's something about you that's impossible to ignore." This sense of exclusivity makes her feel irreplaceable, which is what every woman desires. Setting the stage for intimacy. Attraction doesn't begin with physical touch. It starts with words. Phrases like, "Just thinking about you brightens my day completely." Or, I love how you make me feel when feels better than the last. These comments keep the connection lively and exciting. Final thoughts. Now that you understand how to use words to create desire, intimacy, and attraction, it's time to put this into action. It's not about memorizing lines, it's about understanding their impact and using them authentically. Words are powerful, but they become transformative when paired with consistent actions. So, which phrase will you try today? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights like these. Until next time, keep evolving.